12 days of Christmas my true love gave to me. Already cannot use it. Oh my god, I'm excited for this one. Oh my god, they have so many colors. Oh, this one is nice. Happy Saturday, everyone. Can you believe it? We're less than a week away from Christmas. Legit, when I'm filming this today, I'm filming it on Tuesday right now, which is December 15th. And I just texted a thread of my family thread and I said, you guys, Christmas is in 10 days. Like, let that sink in. And my sister's like, what? It still feels like it's a month away. And I'm like, I know, I can't believe it. It's insane with how fast this year has gone by, as you guys know. And I hope you guys are all having a great holiday season, just with everything going on. I do want to do another giveaway for you guys. So as you know, last week we did 3 winners. We're going to do another 3 winners this time, and make sure you are subscribed to my newsletter because that is where I'm putting the names. I'll even, you know what, I'll put them down in the description box as well for last week down there for like the winners, but they've already been contacted because as you guys know, you put in your email address. So when you put in your email address, that automatically gives me an area to like contact you. So yeah, congrats to all those winners, and we're gonna do 3 more. So the link is down below, enter it. Make sure to be following me on Instagram. Also, as you guys know, right now it's really just PR hauls over on this channel, and that's because I'm doing Vlogmas over on my other channel. So I'm posting every single day over on Life of Maddie. Life of Maddie is really where it's been at right now. I've been having so much fun with the baby stuff. I've been having fun with Riley. I've been having fun just doing a little bit more of like lifestyle content and just more laid back. Like it's just, I don't know, I've been really enjoying it. So if you want different types of content, make sure you head over to Life of Maddie. That is where it kind of lives in December. It's been like this for the last 3 years. So definitely check that out over there. Good luck for the giveaway. Give the video a thumbs up if you love seeing the new launches, and let's go. I have a really big package back here, and it's not incredibly light either. So I wonder what that is. I'll probably save that one for last, even though the anticipation is going to kill me. By the way, I love these sweaters, these tunics from Free People. They're so comfortable. I'll have it linked down below for you guys if you want to check it out. And then also the lip color I'm wearing is the YSL. I had to go with the red again. We're just rocking the reds this December. I'm loving it. And this color that I'm wearing right now is called 208. So I will have it linked down below if you guys want to check it out, but they're super comfortable. I love these YSL lip creams. First package is from Lancome, and it looks like we got a new mascara here. Oh my god, this is so cute how they did this. Woo! Slides right out. Packaging is beautiful. So what it says here is that you can exclusively get this at Ulta.com starting now, so you can go shop it right now, and then also it will be in store available December 26th. So again, this is what the packaging looks like, so you guys can take a look at it. Lancome has legit some of the best mascaras. I know, I love it when I don't. Oh, this one is nice. This one reminds me of Benefit Roller Lash right here, and that's like my favorite mascara. Oh my gosh. This also will be perfect for the bottom lashes because it's nice and spiky. I actually don't have mascara on down there right now, so let's go ahead and pop this on. Okay, so I put it on my bottom lashes and it is beautiful. I love it that it's not clumpy at all and it really separates the lashes. I think this would be really pretty too as a top lash mascara, but since I have lash extensions, I can't use it there. But I like it for the bottom lashes, and again, it really reminds me of the Benefit Roller Lash, so super stoked about that. Thank you, Lancome. Okay, so next up we have a new product from Pharmacy, and this is called the Whipped Greens. This is their oil-free foaming cleanser with moringa and papaya. Ooh, that looks like it's gonna smell pretty good. So it says right here that it's a cream to foam cleanser hybrid, and it's going to remove dirt, excess oil, debris, and it's perfect for normal to combination skin types, which is gonna be perfect for me because my skin is normal right now. I think it's because a lot of the skincare I have been using has really just balanced it out. Like my skin is not dry and it's not oily either. Like it's completely balanced. So I've been showing what I've been using over on my Vlogmas, so you guys go check that out. But I do not have a cleanser that I've really been like loving yet, so I will definitely give this a go. So thank you, Pharmacy, for sending this one over. Let me go ahead and show you guys the packaging actually really quickly. Oh, here's the packaging. Oh, it's pretty. I actually really like it, how the ombre look to it. So, and that will actually look really pretty on your sink area too. Like I love how simple it is. So we're gonna be trying that out, and I'll give you guys an update probably over on Vlogmas about it. I love using the vlogs to kind of test out new products and like kind of quickly tell you guys about them, which has been great. There's one product that I have yet to talk about though that I've been using for the last couple of days, and it's the Tarte Shape Tape powder. It's a translucent powder, and it's actually really, really nice. So I'll talk more about that over on Vlogmas. All right, so next up is a package from Oncology. I've never heard of them before, but they sent over their CBD recovery cream, which actually sounds really nice. Sounds really hydrating and soothing. Like it has oatmeal in it, ceramides, shea butter, olive squalane, and calendula. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use it because it has vitamin A in it, so I would have to just double check on it. I know vitamin A is one ingredient to stay away from during pregnancy, but I'll just have to double check on it, but that actually looks really nice. A really nice little body butter here. All right, so maybe it's Maybelline just sent over some products, and we got a lot of brow products actually. So they sent over every shade. We've got black brown right here. So this is their brow fast sculpt. So actually this sounds really nice. This would be really quick and easy to do the brows. Oh, little one, she's kicking. I'm wondering if she's just like not comfortable. Anyways, we also have just, I think this is deep brown right here, and then blonde and warm brown and light blonde. Oh my God, they have so many colors. They have clear, soft brown, medium brown. Like they have a whole range. Usually, you know, you just see like maybe 3, like light, medium, and dark, and that's it. You don't see like a whole range of these. So this is awesome. I think I'm gonna be like soft brown or medium brown. I'm thinking soft brown. So I'm gonna hold on to those and also hold on to the clear one, and I'll probably give the other ones away. But these look nice. So they're gonna shape and tame the brows. Your brows will thank you later with our current obsession, the Brow Fast Sculpt Gel Mascara. So yeah, that actually sounds really, really nice. We're gonna give that a go and try that out. So thank you, Maybelline, for sending over these, and also for just an awesome shade range here. Like this is perfect. Okay, so new product from IT Cosmetics here, and it's called Hello Results. So it's a wrinkle reducing daily retinol serum in cream. So hearing the retinol, already cannot use it. Dang it! But it says that it's available to purchase at itcosmetics.com and Ulta Beauty online and in store in December. So it retails for $69, and it has dual retinol and niacinamide in it, and also vitamins B5 and E in it for soothing. Definitely gonna have to save this for after baby comes and after I'm done nursing to try this out. I've been really enjoying IT Cosmetics. I actually really like that new foundation they came out with. So good. All right, so I got a package from a brand called Ready Set Jet, and it says, hope you love the products. The Sunset Lover Lip and Cheek Stain will absolutely be stunning on you. If you decide to share with your followers, please let them know to use the code Madison10 for 10% off. So if you guys want to go shop on ReadySetJet.com, I will have the code down below, Madison10. It will save you 10% off, not an affiliate or anything. It will just save you 10% off of the entire site, which is amazing. So thank you so much for sending that code over. So we have their Sculpt and Shine Multi-Use Highlighter and Contour Complexion Stick. And this is Be You, Do You, For You. Ooh, I like that slogan. Here is the highlight side right there. As you guys know, I love cream products. Ooh, that's really pretty. That is really, really pretty right there. I love just like subtle highlights like that. That is gorgeous. And then we have the contour side. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like this too. Oh my gosh, this is a really nice contour. I love how just cool tone it is. And it blends out really, really nicely too. We're gonna have to give that a go. If I can, I'll do a little get ready with me getting ready, or I'll have to do it pretty fast and give you guys like an update on it. It's just so hard in the mornings because I get Riley ready for school, so I have to wake up really early to get myself ready. But I'll try to figure something out for tomorrow and we can try these out for Vlogmas. But, oh, also, like, these are also customizable, so you can twist them out and put in a different product in it, which is really, really cool. Actually makes it great for travel. So I also got the lip and cheek tint right here. So this is in Sunset Lover, and this is a color, so it's a little bit more deeper. I actually think I really like this really for my lips. For my cheeks, I don't know. I think it might be a little too deep for me. I would have to use a beauty blender and be very light-handed with it. Otherwise, it's gonna get a little cray-cray on me. But we'll give it a go and we'll try it out. But I have to say, I really do like the highlighter and the contour stick already, but this one I think I'm gonna like it more on my lips just because that color I think might be a little too dark for my cheeks. 12 days of Christmas, my true love gave to me some lashes to do. Yep, so Ardell has this really cute little 12 days of wispies lashes, which is very cool. And this would just be an awesome little gift. I'm actually gonna throw this in a mystery box giveaway for you guys because I think you guys would really enjoy it because I still have lash extensions, so I'm not gonna use them. But I love Ardell lashes and this is really cute. So these are all the 12 lashes that you get in here, which are really pretty. Sure they have, yeah, the double demi wispies are amazing. The double wispies they have all the demi wispies in here. Like this is like the perfect lash kit right here. It has like all very wearable everyday lashes. This is awesome. So this will definitely be going to a lucky winner. All right, so we got a package from Glow Recipe and they sent over quite a bit. Oh my God, I'm excited for this one. All right, so this is their Watermelon Glow Lip Pop. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna like this, yes. Yes. Oh, I love these things. That's awesome. Okay, so we got the lip balm. They also sent over the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist right here. So this is just a little spray. We also have a mini of the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. It's a very good moisturizer for oily skin. It's very lightweight on the skin, perfect for just underneath your makeup. Perfect, and also it smells really good too. And then last but not least, we have the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops, and these are Ultimate Glow and Brightening Drops. So they are it's a highlighting serum. So that will be really nice too, and I love the smell of their products. Their smell of the products are so good. So thank you so much, Glow Recipe, for sending these over. I have to say I'm very stoked about the lip balm, but I'm a lip balm like hoarder. I'm crazy with my lip balms, you guys. It's so bad. It's so bad, but I just can't stop. They're my favorite. All right, so this is the last one right here. This is the big boy. I have no idea what's in it. I'm excited. It definitely is a little bit of a smaller week, and I think it's just because we're getting closer to Christmas time. Everyone's taking time off. Things aren't really getting sent out, which is totally fine. It's just time to start to slow down and enjoy the holidays with the family. But let's go ahead and open up this bad boy and see what's inside. Oh, what? It looks like this package is from Hallmark, you guys, and I am so excited. It says Hallmark Channel #1 fan. Totally. I love Hallmark, and these look so comfy. Ah, I'm so excited. Okay, what else did they send over? We have the Williams-Sonoma Hot Chocolate Milk and Dark Chocolate Sticks. These are great. You know Riley is gonna love that, and so is Joel. Oh my God, this is so cute. I love Hallmark Channel and flannel. Oh my gosh, this is totally gonna be my mug. Oh my goodness, I love this. Ah, love it. Okay, next one. Oh, look at you guys. We've got the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. I've heard so many people talk about these. This is so cool. I can't wait to try this out. There's different, is it oval design, tangle free, unique airflow vents, multiple heat settings. Definitely gonna have to do like a little get ready with me using this, styling my hair. Oh my God, I cannot wait. So we've got the Revlon one. Revlon Hallmark Channel. So 'tis the season for incredible hair. Revlon Hair Tools and Hallmark Channel have partnered to bring you bold holiday style this year. So this is from Revlon and Hallmark Channel. And it says, to help get you prepared for the holiday celebrations, a limited edition Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer in Holiday Red is your game changer. So it looks like what they're doing is for this year, they did a really fun new red color for you guys. I will link this down below. I've actually already heard people been raving about this thing. Like a lot of people say it's amazing. It's very affordable. So I will definitely link it down below for you guys, and we will definitely be using it. So stoked about that. Oh my goodness, it is a holiday premium plush Serpa throw blanket that just sounds so amazing. Oh my goodness. I'm really gonna wanna put this on my bed, but it's gonna look really cute on my couch. I need it downstairs on my couch to display it. Oh my God, they like set me up for the perfect cozy like Sunday. Oh, this is gonna be so nice. And Riley is now getting to the point where she'll sit and cuddle with me, and it's It's amazing finally. It doesn't last for like incredibly long, but hey, at least it lasts for more than 5 minutes now. So we can cuddle up, watch Christmas movies in our PJs. I think it's gonna be so cute. I can wear my slippers, and she's got Santa slippers that are similar to this too. So we're gonna be twinning. I'll take a picture for you guys. It'll be adorable. Oh my God, this is like the softest blanket. This is what it is. Look how cute that design is. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna take off the tag. Oh, so it says easy care too. So, oh my goodness. I just wanna cuddle up right now. I wanna make myself some hot cocoa and I just wanna cuddle up. I'm ready to just relax, slow down, enjoy the holidays. There's also, like, this all came in a really pretty, like, white basket too. So definitely going to save this. Thank you so much, Revlon and Hallmark. I feel so spoiled here, and I'm loving it. I mean, just some relaxation, some good old relaxation for the holiday season with my little one and the little one in my belly. This is perfect. This is just perfection. So thank you so much to Hallmark and Revlon. And that is it, you guys. That is everything in this PR unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. We definitely will be testing out some of these products over on my Vlogmas, so go check that out. The link is down below for Life of Maddie channel. Again, that is where a lot of the content is happening this month. We're just having a blast over there. And honestly, once baby little girl comes, it probably is going to be a little bit more over there too with vlogs, just because I want to capture those newborn moments and everything like I did with Riley, because I love looking back at those, and it'll just be a little bit easier for me to film with her, and I just can't wait. I'm so ready. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Enter the giveaway down below. Good luck to everyone. I love you guys. I hope you all are having a great holiday season, and also a Merry Christmas, because I believe Christmas is before I see you guys next on this channel. Yes, Christmas is on Friday. So yeah, Christmas is next Friday. That is insane. So yeah, I hope you guys all have a great Christmas, and I will see you all next Saturday.